Let us take a look at this component. Sets 3, and there you see it, a stream filter. This is one of the best components. Notice that I have short names. I can go to display, make full names. It's up to you. I'm gonna keep it short names. Also, notice that if you zoom in, you can add one or two more inputs or delete those inputs. What am I going to do? First, I am going to params and drag and drop two colors, white and perhaps drag and drop, maybe red. Let me connect it over here. And we already saw the Boolean toggle. I am going to connect it over here. Let us see the output of this component. Drag and drop a panel and it says white. Now notice that false is equal to 0. So 0 is coming out of this component. If I double click and make it true, red, which is connected to grip number 1, is going out. And please notice that number is always related to the number that we are connecting over here. We could, for example, add one more and maybe another one and come back to shaders and add two of them over here. One to the number 2 and another one to grip number 3. So in that case, we need to change the Boolean toggle. Let me delete it and create, double click a numeric slider that goes from 0 to 3. Enter. Notice what I did. Double click 0.3. Enter. That will give me a numeric slider from 0 to 3. Let me delete this one, connect, and now we can see white, red, no data, no data. Perfect. Let me minimize all of this. And on my computer, on my file, I already uploaded 3 materials. I can right click and select African tick, and I can select maybe the green plastic. So notice that now I can easily select the white, the red, and the 2 materials. And what can I do with this? Quite simple. We can go to params, geometry, get, for example, a geometry param, right click, set one geometry, select it, and we can use display costume preview, connect the geometry to costume preview and the output of this one. And let's see. Let me hide it. So we don't see it. Let me render it right there and hide the object. Isn't that beautiful? Wood, ooh, red and white. Beautiful. One more time. This is in real time. If you double click this one and double click the material, you can rotate it in real time. Oh my God, this is so cool. So I only wanted to show you the stream filter. Where is this stream filter located? Right here, right there. Set 3 stream filter, right here. I hope you like it.